Good morning, friends. Stay safe, friends. Jai Mata Di. Today, I am discussing you how do calories make us fat. Calories don't make us fat for the simple reason that calories have nothing to do with food. Calories are a way of measuring something. That something they measure is energy or heat. 1 calorie is the amount of heat it takes to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water 1 degree centigrade. When we apply this form of measure to the energy in food, we use a large or kilogram calorie. The kilogram calorie equals 1000 regular calories. But what about all this talk about calories making us fat? Well, the food we take into our body can be considered a fuel. The breaking down of the food in the body tissues is really a form of oxidation or burning. And since we want a way of measuring how much fuel we are taking in and how much the body needs, we use a fuel measurement, which is calories. Every person needs a different amount of calories to maintain life. But it is possible to draw up general rules or requirements. For example, the average adult needs from 2000 to 3000 calories per day. But suppose we are a factory worker and use up a lot of energy on the job, we may need up to 3400 calories. And what about athletes or lumberjackers? They might need 4000 calories or more. Lumberjacks. Children need more calories than adults. Older people need fewer calories because they can't burn off the fuel as easily as people in the prime of life. Outdoor workers need more calories than those who work in closed rooms. Now, what happens if we take in more calories than we need? That is more than we use of in the course of the day. The fuels of the body that provide the calories are transformed into fat. If we do want to cut down a bit on calories, cut down on sugars, fats, and starches, friends. We have to know about calories. How you are enjoying my channel, friends? If you are enjoying, please like, share, comments, and subscribe also. Don't forget to click the bell button, friends. Bye bye. Jai Shri Ram.